So sometimes, like when we talk about the circle of life, I had a circle of life. I mean, I had been born and raised in San Diego, went to Torrey Pines High School, Rancho Santa Fe Elementary, Torrey Pines High School, then I traveled the world, got myself to Los Angeles, but I really wanted to come home to San Diego and be with my family. And I was a member of a country club called Morgan Run Country Club. And a gentleman who was a member there, his name was Rick Hoffman, Rick and Ann Hoffman. And Rick was the president of Coldwell Banker, I believe in the South, Arizona, California, 2 or 3 other states. I'm not 100% sure. But I would see him at the club in the happy hours after golf, and he'd go, you need to sell houses. I just believe that you could sell houses. So I really do attribute Rick Hoffman and Ann for giving me the courage and then just encouraging me to get my license, which I did on the first time. And then, I turned around and I started working for Rick. He was the president and I was in the Del Mar office of Coldwell Banker in San Diego. So he was in the executive, the corporate side. But he still was there for me during times that when I needed advice, professional advice, personal advice, just a attaboy. So even to this day, when I do have questions, I always give Rick Hoffman a call.